Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I will show you how I'm playing Dream On by Aerosmith on the ukulele. We'll do it on a high G string ukulele in the original key. So after that you'll be able to practice with the original recording of the song. Grab your ukulele and let's go because this has many parts and it will be a long video. So let's go. Okay, I'm just coming closer to show you the intro and after that the plenty parts. This song requires really to go into detail from the very beginning. So let's go. Okay, so let's see the intro. Basically it starts like an F minor chord, but we're grabbing it up here, avoiding the A string, and really we're playing just the C and E string. And then with the middle finger I'm just pulling, so we hear the open C string. Okay, then we go to C minor. Again, we're just playing the C and E string and doing the same thing on the C string. But I'm grabbing it this time with the pointing finger. Alright. The next chord we have is F minor 6, but we are just playing on the C string 2nd fret and on the E string 4th fret. And again, pulling down the C string. And then the same thing, 1 fret down. Okay. And after that we start from the F minor again. Sliding up. And then up here on the 8th fret. Okay, let's hear what we have so far. Alright, and we repeat it one more time, and the ending is just a little bit different. Let's go through it. This thing. Okay, and then the ending of the intro, we play the F minor 6 again like this, but this time I'm playing on the A string 3rd fret and then with the pinky on the 6th fret of the E string to 4th fret. Okay, all right, and then we go to A sharp minor 6, and again we're doing this on the C string, first to open, and then we go to C7, but again on the C string we are doing 1 open like this. Okay, and here we have the little walk which goes like this. On the C string, 1 open, here 3rd fret of the G string. Usually it should be 1 octave down. This will be maybe better on a low G, but it's just for 1 tone, so. Okay, so we are slowly building it up to right here, and then we're doing this on the 8th fret, 8th to 10th, with the hammer on and pull up. Okay, so we are hearing 3 tones, but actually with the right hand I'm playing just once. And grabbing the F minor chord. Alright, and that's the intro. After that we go to the verse, which basically is just the beginning of the intro. Anytime that I look in the mirror, all these lines of my face are getting clearer. The past is gone, years went by like dust to dawn. And here we go to F minor 6, isn't that the way? To C7, suspended to C7, okay? And again, F minor 6, everybody's got to. A sharp minor 6, learn before. And here we have this build up. C7 to C sharp major 7 to D7 to C7 up here. Okay, so let's just see the end of the first verse. Isn't that the way? Everybody's got to learn before they play. And we go to the first chorus, which is F minor. I know to D sharp. Nobody knows to C sharp. Where it comes and where it goes. Back to D sharp. And this thing repeated twice. I know as everybody sings, you need to learn to lose to know how to win. And we get back to the... And we have another verse here. And after that, the second chorus is a little bit different. It starts again like this. Sing with me, sing for the years, sing for the laughs and sing it for the tears. But the second time, it starts again with F minor, but this time to C minor, just for today. Then to F minor 6, maybe tomorrow to C sharp major 7. The good Lord will take it away. And here we have this. What I'm doing here is I'm barring on the 3rd fret with the middle finger on the 4th fret of the C string and with the ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string. Here, if you want to be exact, this is C7 flat 9 releasing to normal C7. And we are doing this. Okay. And after that we have the interlude, which starts with F minor and then to C7 to F minor 7 and then to F minor 6 up here. Okay. And then we have the D sharp, but actually this is D sharp 6 and I'm doing here E string and A string to C string and again, and then I'm grabbing the C7, which basically is the same thing, just I'm putting the middle finger on the 4th fret of the C string, and then I grab F minor, and then we repeat the same thing. But here, instead of doing the F minor part, we go to another chorus, the same as the second chorus. Sing with me, sing for the years, sing for the laughs and sing it for the tears. Sing with me if you just for today, maybe tomorrow the good Lord will take it away. And finally, we go to the bridge, which starts with A sharp minor, dream on to C minor, just sliding the whole shape up 2 frets. Dream on, and then to C sharp. Dream on to D sharp. Dream until your dream come true. And here we have this. Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream until your dream come true. And here is maybe one of the most trickiest parts. And the last time, A sharp minor to C minor to C sharp to D sharp, and then here. Dream on, dream on, dream on. Ooh. And after that we have another chorus. Sing it with me, sing for the years, sing for the laugh and sing it for the tears. Sing it with me if it's just for today. Maybe tomorrow the good Lord will take it away. Yeah, yeah. And I think this sums up all the parts. Well, that's a lot of details and it could be overwhelming, but it will be not fair if I do this tutorial without the details. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.